What's up, YouTube? Welcome in. Let's get it. Gotta grab my coffee in like 2 seconds, by the way, just a heads up. What's up, everyone? Welcome. Be right back, okay? I'm gonna grab my coffee. What's up? I am back. What a name, Francisco. Oh. Let's get Team Bull on here, see what's going on.
Let's see what this market gives us. The probabilities of me taking a trade in the first 15 minutes like yesterday is very rare. It does not happen often. But I'm not going to say it's impossible. Because yesterday we did it and we had an absolute killer trade.
Nice sell candle to start the morning.
What do you say?
It's a nice sell candle to start the day.
Yep, just like yesterday. Just lit the candle up. Got the, what do we got burned in today? The Stress Relief, Eucalyptus, and Spearmint.
What's up, YouTube? If you have any questions, let me know. We've had 2 winning days this week so far. Let's keep it going. And be sure you hit that thumbs up button. Let's go ahead and do it. Get it out of the way while we're waiting on this bounce area right here. This is a possible bounce. It could invalidate though, so let's be patient. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Why are some people so against prop firms? Kimber, whenever it started out, it was just from lack of understanding, and everyone was sketchy. There's so many scam ones. But now the people that still are so against it are just, I don't know. I don't know if it's out of arrogance or just they just prefer their own money and chose to hate it. I don't know. They like trading with their own money. It's a good question. What was you saying, Jaden?
I was just saying you were watching for that Tesla 322 bounce, yeah?
Yeah.
What ain't gonna give you what you want? What else you gonna watch today, bro? Anything crazy? Anything high probability?
Let's see here. I'm trying to get my charts to load. We're approaching a possible bounce area on NQ down around pre-market low. We have some demand there. But if we lose the pre-market low, I'm just gonna look for the trend entry down.
What level are you watching?
The zone starts 23.352 area, the top of it, and the bottom of the zone goes to 23.334. Watching
Not
that
a ton on
bounce.
Bookmap, but you can see it with the candlesticks.
566 bounce area on QQQ right in that area.
What you want?
Terry, read the guide, Terry. If you want to check to learn about Grizzology, I got a guide in there, and it walks you through exactly how to use it.
In the past, oh, come on, give us a good setup today, Mrs. NQ. Let's get it. I'm choosing discipline over dopamine, but I would be lying if I said I wasn't ready to catch some banger.
Let's target that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's been in the dump for a minute, huh? I was just looking at Walmart. Just looking for a trade. We're pretty close to my level, so stick around. See if we can catch one. Keep in mind, we have a Fed speaker at 11, so we want to be done by 11. I hate trading with Fed speakers. And we have FOMC minutes at 2. Okay. Both could be a big mover.
Yeah, I'm here just looking. It's a deer outside my house. Let's go. All right, Gene. See anything you like? Nothing you like yet. Nothing I really like either. Damn, there's little baby deers chasing their mom. Another one.
Trying to make us hungry or what?
Grizzly. What did I tell you about the deers in my neighborhood, bro?
Trying to fast this morning. You're not helping.
What did I tell you about the deers in my neighborhood, bro? That's why Grizzly ain't allowed to come over. He's gonna eat my deers.
You said the deers are off the menu. Tell that to that mountain lion.
Better not be eating my deers, bro.
Remember that jerky I sent you that one time?
That was spicy, bro.
I like it spicy.
That was, dude sent me some jerky that was literally burning my taste buds. I mean, I'm a weenie with spice, bro. I think hot tamales are hot type shit. I'm a weenie with the spice, bro. You like spicy stuff, Gene?
I like spicy stuff as long as it's not like chemical hot, you know. I like natural. Come on, just a little further down to my demand I'm watching NQ.
Let's get this smart. Dun, 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 dun. Had to mark our London high and low.
Okay. All right, we're starting to touch this zone here. See if we flush pre-market lows. If we do, if we just have a kill candle down, it's going to be invalid.
I'm looking 3 to 9.
Where's the buyers at, Jada? On Bookmap.
You know, I'm not seeing a lot as far as Bookmap goes, as far as order flow goes. There's down at 325, we have a little buying pressure, 330-ish. Not a lot though. Not a ton.
Nothing on 3 to 9?
It's a little bit right below there, but not a ton. I'm gonna wait for this first 15 minutes. Stay super patient. As a reminder, guys, I typically wait the first 15 minutes. I'm in no rush to cash any trades. I know how I trade is a little more boring. I'm not pinging off a trade every 5 minutes, but that's what it takes to be profitable long term. A lot of these guys that are shoving prop firm codes in your face are trying to get you to take 100 trades so you blow your account and use their code again. Not up in here, baby. I appreciate you guys using code JDon and trading with me, but I don't want you trading like an idiot. I want you trading with discipline. Just saying. I want you trading smart and trading safe.
All right. See if we confirm here on this candle. We could have a long entry. I'm watching. We got 2 minutes to make the decision. Good morning. Welcome in.
Well, that's why you wait for the confirmation, right, Grizzly Glock?
That is right, man. I'm okay if we flush this. I got another setup I'm watching if we do. And I like it. Honestly, I like it better than the bounce.
Right, 3 to 9, touch it. About to be touched, see what happened here.
As far as my trade goes, the bounce is invalid now for that current zone. Not to say I wouldn't go long if we had a strong confirmation back above pre-market low, but now I'm going to look for a short entry, ideally.
We're entering the gap now. We're entering the gap.
Good morning.
Our 15-minute range is set. Our 15-minute range is set.
What is it, like a 100-point range? What we have?
So it did yesterday too.
All right. Just doesn't want to give us an entry here, but that's okay. I have a possible entry up around that 340. I'm watching for shorts. 340, 334 area.
Let's get it. What you thinking about that Tesla bounce?
Is it bouncing?
It's at 325, so a few dollars away still.
Yeah, I like that level on Tesla. I'll give it a try if we get done there.
It actually looks good from an hourly perspective too.
Yeah, that's where I got my level, was the hourly.
Yeah, actually looks really good. I'm gonna add that to my option chain too, just in case. Those contracts are pricey on Tesla, man.
Oh, the IV juiced.
Expensive. It's almost better off just trading equity, large account.
What a sell-off, man.
It's a gap. We're in the gap.
We gotta, how many gaps do we have? We have to have a ton right now. I don't even keep up with them. I bet we got like 50 below. Unfilled.
Getting into an area of demand here on ES.
Yeah, an entry, that's right. I was expecting the retest of 329 to take the shorts. So
It's aggressive sell-off off the open.
but they flush really quick.
Wow, what a sell-off.
244 is the end of this gap here. 23244.5.
What's up, YouTube? Any questions for me? Just watching for a short entry for us. Listen, I'd like to hear what your all thoughts is. Where should we enter short at? Where should our entry be? Let me ask Team Bull this as well. All right, Team Bull. Where should our short entry be on NQ if we pull back? I want to see what you all think.
329.
Yeah, I'm thinking 325 up to like 345 with a stop above 375. What up, Gene?
I'm looking 244. Possible bounce.
It closes on both. Higher volume, yeah, we're gonna have to try the shorts if we pop back up here. System says we have to.
I don't know if it's going to pop back up. It's just free falling. This is the type of market I like. When you actually have movement like this, continuation. Either way, just hope it gives us a entry.
244.
Just straight down. It's way too far for me to try shorts down here.
Yep.
Yes, have to wait.
Let's see what.
Gotta wait. And it can be tough from a patient's perspective watching price dump or rip without any pullbacks. And sometimes you can catch that break out of that falling knife or the rocket and get a nice entry on it. But for me, just long term, my probabilities and R multiple go up a lot when I wait for the lower high or higher low pullback.
Even if we don't catch a trade today, which I think we still will, YouTube, stick around. But even if we don't, this is the type of market we want. Because when we do get into the trade, we're getting continuation. The days where we just chop in between pre-market high and low, that's not ideal for day trading. Appreciate y'all for being here.
We're looking at 320.
Let's talk about this. What this 30-minute range is going to be like. Jesus, massive range. 100% untradeable if you trade the 30-minute orb range.
Yeah, she's cooking. Started on 7:30. Nothing there.
ES could still be in play, possibly.
Damn. Just waiting still. Absolutely no pullbacks whatsoever. Just straight down. Oh my gosh. Holy moly.
Oh, you're welcome, Corey. Good to hear that. Can we just have one pullback for entry? Oh. Oh, I see a green candle. I see a green candle, everyone. First one in a minute. Could it be? Green, as I have no idea how you got an entry on the shorts, but I'm glad you did if you caught them. What a sell-off. Jesus Christ. It didn't give us the pullback enough there for an entry. What do we think, YouTube? What are we going to look for here? What are you all watching for is question. I keep muting. I keep sneezing. Sorry. I cut the grass yesterday. Got ES pulled up as well. That's awesome. Love seeing you all make money. Yeah, I just don't see any trades that could have been made to catch the shorts, to be honest. But I'm glad for those that made money from them. Glad you made some money.
What do you say?
I said, I don't know how anybody could have caught the shorts unless you just took the initial breakdown, you know?
Just higher risk.
Yeah. That's what they're saying. He could cut them in September.
I think there's a chance he doesn't cut them. Just saying. I don't know.
He is stubborn. I give him that.
So you call me Mr. Too Slow. I'll show you Mr. Too Slow.
I'm going to look up around the 6,400 on ES for a short entry. 6400.
It actually looks good. Watch that with you.
Watch it just rip back up, make a high day. Wouldn't surprise me with this market. Come on, push up.
Where's VWAP at? Where's VWAP? Up. It's a ways away.
Got 9 points worth of risk on this if we get the right entry here.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. You wouldn't even know this. I actually like that. That too. I'll try it with you if we get up there. 65 or 6,400.
Yeah.
Come correct. I like the 6,400 area for shorts with you. Let's see how our fib tools look. Fibs are a little higher, 6408 at 50% retracement.
Guess I had better.
The only problem is I don't love this reversal candle, this doji we saw down here. Don't love it, but I'm open to trying the shorts as we move up there. 6, that'd be like 637. Remember, trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine. Everybody, don't force trades. Wait for A+ setups. Wait for your confirmations to hit, your risk to be defined, and then execute without emotion.
Where we at here?
Got some of that melt down nice.
I don't know what to do if we don't get this pullback here for a short. Honestly.
Not sure they're going to give us that 6,400 Grizzly.
What's the risk here on this?
I don't think they're going to give it to us, bro.
They're not.
Likely the lower high, which is very unfortunate.
I was watching for a setup there, but I got distracted, unfortunately. We could have
We
entered.
got 4 points away, but not quite up to this. I would have rather been up here around the 6,400 too, and look at that, new low day, of course. Or to have the risk to find above that London low. Oh my gosh.
Oh. I mean, the only way we catch these moves is at these key levels. We can't tell if they're gonna be lower. But I was distracted. That would have been a good entry right here for shorts if we got this confirmation candle.
They're gonna give us more lows. I'm gonna miss it.
I blame Brian. I'd have taken that trade up the confirmation candle, but he was distracting me. We should have been in an NQ. That previous 5-minute candle confirmed coming out of that fair value gap. We should have been in shorts at 23,170. That's why it's very important to focus. No distractions. Focus on trading till session's over.
No FOMO and we're chilling. Honestly, I just wanted to see that ES come up to 6,400, that whole psych number in that area. I was trying it, but no dice for me. Oh man, just more lows. Now if we pop back up, I'm not going to try that. No way. No way, no how. Nice job. Caught the move down, thanks. B2 God, shout out Ghost, J Don, and Grizzly, back-to-back $4,500 days and so close to a nice payout on these 3 accounts. Let's go. Let's go, bro. How is this the only higher low, or lower high, excuse me, we got? How? How is a 10-point candle on ES with a 40 plus, 50 plus point move down the only higher, lower high? How? How is that possible? I'm bummed, man. We're trading for at least 2 hours today. Honestly, I haven't seen a ton on Bookmap that I loved. ES, not a whole lot. There's, some resting buy orders sitting around 63.75, but I'm not going to try to time the bottom here. No way. It's also FOMC minutes today. You have nothing to find on Bookmap in this drop. Nothing, bro.
Sorry about that, Austin. It happens on days like this, man. But I prefer a day like this over the chop day for sure. Wow, I just seen Tesla fell right through the bounce area. It came back up and retested it from underneath, though.
Just moving straight down, bro.
Doing my best to try to get us a good entry here, but there's nothing with the proper risk, even close to the proper risk reward here. We'd have to push up quite a bit. Oh.
We got strong sellers right now. It's honestly not a lot showing up on Bookmap either. Usually you'd think like our next major area of buy orders on NQ is at like 22,500. It's crazy. There's a ton of orders sitting there. 23,000 is a few too. $213 pullback entry. All right. I think FOMC minutes will probably tell us a good deal today too.
This market is on my nerves today, YouTube. That I let a Team Bull member get on there as well, but it's all good now. Distracted me. I feel that, Josh. That's funny. We've only got about 25 value gaps up
I'm so
above.
bummed. Look at these BS pullbacks, man. Nothing, bro.
I feel your frustration, man.
I'm
feel
honestly have a little bit of FOMO, low key. Like, not. I know. Not FOMO like I'm gonna force trades, but just a little frustrated. I don't like seeing a big move like this, not getting a piece of it. I mean, my system didn't fire, and that's okay. Looking back at things, I could have arguably tried this move into this aggressive impulse candle here between 393 and 408, but I just wanted to see a bit higher. There's always another day of trading. That is correct.
I'm gonna say, everyone, if you haven't forced a trade today, if you've been patient,
These puts I was looking at.
proud of you, YouTube.
Exploding.
Or even if you did, it's okay. You can recover.
And massive dumps. Massive dumps and baby pullbacks. That's it.
Isn't that 23,000 level the one you hated? Was that it?
Dude, yes, bro. Constant. This candle right here is the one that got away on a yes. On NQ right here as well, that 200 retest. That's the one that got away from me.
Yeah, we got this crazy Fed speaker at 11. We touched an hourly demand on NQ now. Oh, it's from a while ago, so let's see. When was this made?
Damn, Gene, that sucks about Brandon's car.
August 5th. What happened to Brandon's car?
He was texting us and he said the person who did his let's see, his words, the dumbass before me did a bad clear coat job and it won't stick, so they can't wrap his car. Oh, that sucks.
Tell them to send it down. Start over.
What do you say, Gene?
You guys, I'm testing NQ lungs here.
Greg's a brave soul, NQ Longs.
Greg with the NQ Longs, everyone.
23109 my entry.
I'm telling you, there's no way I would try Longs here. It matches Greg's system. It doesn't match mine at all. But we are touching hourly demand you see on Grizzology. There wasn't enough delta on that candle to confirm long entries either. So that's not a good sign. Enough positive delta. Is ES in demand as well? Let me look, Paula. Oh, nice. Yeah, I see that. ES looks better than
Stop
NQ.
loss is at 89. 3 minutes on here, guys. 3 minutes on. Stop loss of break even.
This wasn't enough delta here.
Stop loss of break even now. Let's see if we can get a big trade.
You got a trim off, right, Greg?
Yep. We took a trim and stop loss of break even. Stop loss is at 110.
Nice trade so far, Greg.
Thank you. It was about time now.
Yeah, I'm glad to see you back in the winning train, man.
Oh, I got a short entry coming up here on NQ. The only one I've seen, everyone, is right here in this area. I'm not trying to fade you, Greg, but I'm gonna try some shorts.
No problem, man. I'm green already, so I trade some more here. Stop loss.
Try some shorts, Grizzly.
A light size of NQ shorts. I mean light. This is dangerous area here. Stops have to be up above 23,165. NQ shorts is what I'm in, yes.
Reason why I took the longs because I have a daily level 091, 23091 is in my charts. They went down, recovered. Reason why I took it. It's a daily level, so they did sweep. When I saw the sweep, I took the longs.
Spy lower volume, push up here. I just don't like this reversal on ES. I don't like that at all. The 5-minute candle. I like this. If we're gonna have a lower high though, I mean this is the area.
Yep, this is the only area for entry right now as shorts. Unless we push back up a long ways.
My stop loss is in profit now. Runners running.
Rest in peace, the King Kong with the LAX. Yeah, and this, I would say this. I would say I would look for this short here in SPY or ES, but well ES looks all right. It's candle with higher volume. The risk is we pop above 63.90.
Almost 50 point rise already, guys.
Nice trade, Greg.
Thank you very much.
Takes a brave man to take that long.
This daily level, they recovered it with volume. Reason why I took it.
Don't you do it. Just go straight down.
What do you say?
I was talking to the NQ, trying to sweet talk it here.
Three one more, guys.
Come on.
My average is 23,142.
If you took the kilos with me, keep it tight.
My stop is at the top of this fair value gap at that 165, 166. If we break above that, chances are we retest that 23,200 again, and I'm not risking that much.
Come on. What is this? 80 above 86.
All right, everyone. Hopefully we can lose this. Get back below this 129. We should see something. See the next leg down, hopefully.
Watching for this with you. Not anything.
Oh, you didn't get in up there when we...
No, I didn't enter with you.
I thought you got in for some reason.
No. See how this candle closes if it doesn't go too far down.
We're up around close to 20 points there, everyone. Let's see if we get a big move down here, though. Trim as you see fit.
What was your entry area?
There we go.
Nice job, Grizzly.
I got a trim off, everyone. Right there. Stops are at entry now. Or you can put them at the top of this 5-minute candle wick.
Let's see here.
Ideally,
Nice job, Grizzly.
ideally we get low day out of this, everyone.
Nice job, Grizzly Glock.
Appreciate it.
My trace closes. Runners close.
Next pop up, I'm gonna join the shorts. This candle's looking solid. It's a little later, but
I don't know if it's gonna give you the pop.
I don't know if it is either. But next one, and if we get it, I'm joining shorts with you.
Maybe it bounced a little at this 23,100. Nope. Will this be a mega trade? I don't know.
Could be.
It's a green trade regardless. Your stop should be at entry or in profits at this point, everyone. This is what I call eval passer. That is literally the only short entry we've had all day other than taking initial breakout trades to the downside. Anytime you take breakout trades, they're higher risk as opposed to what we just took. We pulled back to that fair value gap. We entered around the 50% range of it. Plus it aligned perfectly with that lower high. Gotta say, I've liked the market this week. Much better than last week. We might get low day out of this. ES is about to make a low day now. We just need NQ to catch up.
Just thinking about it.
That's awesome, Robert. Glad you got funded there.
Oh my gosh, ripper to the downside, bro.
Ripper, man.
Just made new low day on ES. Just made new low day. The strong survive. See how this 5-minute candle turns out. You killed that though, Grizzly. Nice job, boys. You guys executed better than I did today.
Oh. I just want to see low day. Don't stop me out until we get low day, NQ. That's awesome, Corey. I just appreciate you all hanging out. I have decided it's a sushi type of day.
Sushi steak.
Sushi and steak, baby.
I had a massive steak yesterday, big sirloin. It's about more than I can handle.
Do it again.
Yeah, do it again. Well, there's one place I go to. You can get sushi and steak together.
Oh man.
Oh man, that's dangerous.
That's a crazy combination.
It was leg day, so I could use
That's
the
dangerous.
extra. YouTube, if you haven't already, I need you all to go friend me on Snapchat. I got a Grizzly Trade Snapchat now.
Mike.
I try to follow everyone, become friends with everyone that requests on there. It's more personal stuff. Would appreciate it.
Yeah, on 6372. Oh. Woo.
What about Grizzology today, everyone? It just crushed it, right? You all see this? Come on, give us low day. Appreciate all the love in chat. Thanks, Paula. Now, ES is actually trying to confirm this demand. It's actually got enough positive delta to pop up a buy on Grizzology, but we're still in shorts. I hope we get the move down here so we can capitalize a little more. I got my stop at around that 23,120 now. Low of day, give it to us. Well, it's true. They
Okay,
know.
let's see how Bookmap is looking.
Hopefully, it's just a ton of sellers right where we're at.
There's not a lot of aggressive buyers out here. There's some buyers sitting down at like 63, 69 on ES. As far as NQ goes, no, there's not a whole lot of buyers sitting down here. It's kind of just back and forth on the flow. Two bands today. Nice job, Coach Rush.
Nice. Oh, my stomach is growling.
I want sushi early, bro.
I'm telling you. My stomach only growls every morning. I don't know what's up.
Your stomach's growling or you're growling because you're a grizzly?
Both.
A grizzly.
What do you mean, Jack? I think we see more downside because I'm still in short. But we made a bag, so stops in profits.
Don't.
23,120 is my stop in profits. And that will be it for me. Hit leg day and I stand at my desk all day. My legs are not liking it.
You guys took that idea, that pop up. It's working out decent so far. I mean, not crazy, but like 4 or 6 points so far.
Come on. Hold on. We might get it here. Low a day, everyone.
That entry after that was good.
Come on.
Ended up working out nicely.
Is anybody still in this with me? I gotta know.
I'm gonna scalp some shorts. Here on this pop up. This next pop up here.
I don't know if you. Hopefully you get one here. I'm not for sure if you will. Should see low a day.
Give us like 6:30. This is the high risk area, guys. If you want to scalp some shorts for a push to this low of day. Yes. There we go. There we go. Yo, there we go.
Nice.
Right, I'm scalping this, guys. I'm scalping this.
Okay, everyone.
Not a crazy big move, but that is exactly what I wanted to see from that scalp.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. I didn't have any more runners to leave, so that's the end of the trade for me.
All right, guys. I'm out of this. I'm out. Got my scalp. Got what I wanted there. I got what I wanted there.
There we go. We had a great trading. We're on a roll. 3 winning trades in a row in here. Hope you all enjoy. I wish I had more to leave runners, but I just don't have no more left. Took some patience, right? But we was patient and it paid, right? We waited on a legit setup. Sometimes trading's that simple. Just having the patience to wait on a legit entry, not chasing these moves down, right? Here was an entry. I missed that because I was distracted. That was on me. And right here was another entry. The only two entries we've had with, a calculated risk. But that's all for today, YouTube. Shall we go live tomorrow as well? Appreciate you all. If you all, real quick, if you all want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com, check out Apex and check out Take Profit. Make sure you use code Grizzly to the best in the game if you don't want to risk your own capital. And that's it. Peace.